Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is noise pollution. First, we will discuss the major sources of noise pollution. Traffic noise, vehicles on the road, including car, truck, motorcycle, and public transport, uh, causes more noise pollution, as well as industrial activities, noise generated by factory, machinery, construction site, and manufacturing processes. Construction noise, temporary noise produced during building or construction or infrastructure construction. Also, human activities causes noise pollution, including loud music, event, gathering, activities that generate high decibel level sound. Natural phenomena such as thunderstorm, earthquake, or volcanic eruption can also produce loud sound. Decibel level and measurement. Noise is measured in decibel dB with higher decibel level including louder sound. Prolonged exposure to noise level above 70 dB can lead to adverse health effect. Common sources of noise pollution are traffic, industrial machineries. The health impact on noise pollution, hearing loss, prolonged use exposure to high decibel level can cause permanent damage to the ear, leading the hearing loss. Next one is cardiovascular issue. Chronic exposure to noise has been linked to increased stress level, hypertension, and as well as heart problem also. Now we see the psychological effect. Noise pollution is associated with stress, anxiety, and reduced cognitive performance. Now we see environmental impact of noise pollution. Wildlife disruption. Noise pollution can interfere with the natural behavior and communication of wildlife, affecting their survival. Ecosystem changes, alteration in biodiversity and ecosystem dynamics can occur due to noise pollution. Regulation and control measure. Many countries have noise regulations to limit the acceptable noise level in various environments. Even our government have set certain rules, certain limit on the sound, as well as during the big events like Ganpati and other. Community awareness and action. Raising awareness about noise pollution and its impact is crucial for promoting individual and collective action. Communities can work together to implement noise reduction strategies, participate in local advocacy, support noise control initiative. If we summarize this, noise pollution is a complex issue with widespread implication for human health, wildlife, and environment. Also, it impacts on the small children as well as the older older that is elders, our elders, our grandparents. Different type of noise including continuous, intermittent, impulsive, and low frequency noise have varying effect on individual and environment, also effect on children and learning. children are more susceptible to the adverse effect of noise pollution, impacting their cognitive development and academic performance. During if sound continues to play during the exam, then student will not concentrate on the study, as well as the newborn baby. Newborn baby cause may after he grows, it can cause problem to the hearing of newborn baby. So as well as the very sick people may get heart attack due to the rise in increase of sound. So we need to take it's our responsibility to reduce the sound level. Thank you. That's all about today's video topic.